Here we go, check out our latest truck we have styled for John Gross Ford through Black Stag Styling. Ultra wide arch kit, lift kit, colour coded arches of course, the 20-inch wheels, and then we have got the deployable side steps as well that Adam has just shown you. Lovely looking truck this. Do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. Plenty of options if this doesn't float your boat. But we have, like I say, lift kits, side steps, bonnet scoops, wheel arches, wheels, tyres, plenty of different things. So do give us a shout if we can help you here at Black Stag Styling. What a beast. Right, here we got our deployable side steps, demonstrated by my very attractive assistant. Here we go. Look at that, close the door, up they fold. Superb these. Do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any accessories for your truck.